Panny and Mody Pacifier Clip Silicone Rose Flower Teethers by Panny and Mody is one of the best sellers among baby pacifier accessories products. Modern and trendy pacifier clips, handmade, multiple chewing textures, universal pacifier clips and flower baby teethers for girls. Universal style for all pacifiers, works with all pacifiers, ma'am, Soothie, Nuck and other branded pacifiers, or teether toys, drool bibs, etc. Guaranteed non-toxic safe material, all beads are sourced from Australia, natural and green. 100% certified food-grade silicone and nylon cord, without taste and odor, non-toxic BPA-free, PVC, phthalates, cadmium, CPSIA, CE, ASTMF 963 and ASNZS compliant. Silicone beads are premium food grade and have no taste or smell, which is completely safe to your babies. The perfect gift idea for babies, holds pacifiers and teething toys, keeping them close to baby and off the floor. Attached to clothes, blankets, toys, strollers, or car seats. Silicone beads provide instant teething relief and gum massage. Premium quality chewable silicone beads. Stimulates visual, motor, sensory development. 100% satisfaction after sale service. All Panny and Mody silicone pacifier clips are backed up with 30 days free return policy, 1-year warranty and lifetime friendly customer service. Get yours today. Buy more than one and save even more, what you will get from Panny and Mody. 2X silicone pacifier clip holder. 1X Panny and Mody packing box. Tired of losing or dropping the pacifier? Panny and Mody teether clip is universal and also works with Soothies, Nucks and Mams. Easily attach it to clothes, teething rings, toys, blankets, drool bibs, strollers and car seats. What's great about the manufacturer's products? All beads are sourced from within Australia, natural and green. The teether beads are chewable, unique and fun design. Provides visual and tactile stimulation for babies. 100% certified food-grade silicone beads. BPA, phthalates, cadmium, lead, metals-free. CPSIA, CE, ASTMF 963 and ASNZS compliant. Easy cleaned with dish soap and water or dishwasher top rack. Panny and Mody introduction. Panny and Mody is an Australia handcrafted accessories manufacturer. The manufacturer makes trendy, non-toxic necklaces and silicone accessories that are mommy chic and chew safe for baby and mama. Safety is the manufacturer's first priority. All products of them are made of 100% silicone beads, just like a soother nipple, and have no BPAs, PVCs, phthalates, lead cadmium, or heavy metal and no detachable parts. Directions for use. Thread the loop of the pacifier clip through the hole of any pacifier, teething toy, or teether, and pass the pacifier clip end back through the loop to secure. Then simply attach it to your baby's clothing to ensure the pacifier remains clean and hygienic. Use warm water to clean. Pacifier clips are universal and can also be attached to anything from car seats to strollers, high chairs, and more. Enjoy.